Right, it's Monday and it's question and answer time. Not had many questions this week actually. So you need to get in the comments and hit me with some questions. So I'm going to do a few shout outs and a few questions and just tell you a few bits what's been going on. So we've been back on the loft conversion job and we've managed to skim. Managed to have a good day setting up and the rest of the day skimming. Someone, Luke Vickery, put on a comment on the last video saying, Dan, I'm back. I thought, where have you been? Am I back? I've always been. I've not been anywhere. Or are you back? I didn't understand that one. Plaster, paint and more. He's commented, he watches the channel. He's got his own channel. Not bad actually. So check him out, Plaster, paint and more. He was asking about the storm stuff. The storm stuff has gone down the storm. Good stuff. Get on it. I'm really impressed. I've not used the fast one yet, but I will find something for it and show it you. But the slow stuff really helped me on the conservatory job that I did at the weekend. It was really good, that. But yeah, get on it. Good stuff. And someone asked me about, oh, did I just one coat? No, I didn't. I always two coat. Usually, that's not right. I usually lay down with the same mix, with the same stuff. Just lay down tight, it's always better. I've not really got any more questions to answer. This is going to be a short video, isn't it? I need to find something to rant about. So that roof we've just skimmed in the attic room, because it's hot today, and it got really hot and really stuffy. And you know what skimming's like? It kind of sucks the air out the room, doesn't it? It makes it even hotter. So when we was going over the skimming, we'd put it on and we'd laid it down. On the first trowel, it was kind of ripping and leaving like a drag, you know what I mean? Because it had started not setting, but almost the surface was drying. So the stuff weren't set, but the top, because of the heat in the room, was kind of drying, and you got this like drag effect. So basically we had to drown it, absolutely drench it with water, just give it loads of water, and that's the only way to get over it. And I mean drench it, you know what I mean? Absolutely. Splash loads of water on it and trowel it up, and that's the only way you could do it, stop it ripping. But we broke its back anyway. We broke its back, definitely. Going back to the storm stuff, anything you can get, any techniques you can get, any trowels or anything like that makes your job easier. You're not cheating, you're just making your life easier, and that's all it's about plastering, is making it easier. So you could mix a little bit with fast setting and have 2 gauges that last an hour. You know what I mean? Quick 2 gauges last an hour, or you could have 1 big gauge and put the extra time in and just have an easy day. You know what I mean? You're not chasing your tail. Make it easy for yourself. There's nothing wrong with putting something. Actually, my young apprentice, the old apprentice that I had, Jack Dutton, the best apprentice I ever had, was an absolute beast. He was skimming in flipping days, not weeks. You had to hold him back. You had to put the reins on him. Whoa, don't put that on. I'll put that on. Slow down, you madman. But he just picked it up. Unbelievable. Within days, weeks, he was skimming big walls. He was doing full rooms on his own, like Jesus Christ. Made me a ton of money, that lad. Andy watches. Oh, Jack, email me with your number, man. I've not got your telephone number. I've lost it. I wanted you to work on the conservatory. Big shout out, Jack Dutton. Get in contact. Unless he's thinking, fuck off, I don't want to work with that man anymore. I was going to see if you wanted to work on that conservatory job I've just done, and we would have probably done it in one mix. That'd have been good content, good crack, me and you on the camera. Unless you're camera shy, of course. Well, I could have filmed around you. But yeah, email me, mate. I'll left you in my email on one of my comments. Get in contact with me, leave it, mate, and then I've got your number for future reference. He's come up with this thing where he buys a kilo of, I think he said bicarbonated soda and some acid. I can't remember what he said, but I've got it on a text. It's on the comments. It's in the comments on the video. He said he buys that and it's the same stuff. So maybe we should do that. Maybe we should try a Jack Dutton special mix. that'd be great. I'm just looking for stuff now for content. If you've got any ideas, anything you want me to try, get in the comments and I'll try some stuff, see what happens. Need some content, man. Well, I don't need content, I've got work, but I need stuff to do in the content when I'm working, if that makes sense. Something a bit different. I think that'll do for today's questions and answers, unless Master Yoda's sent me one, or he's not thought of anything. Master Yoda is the guy I serve my time with. He's still on the trail, but he works for the local authority, just tiling and titivating. Doesn't do a lot. But yeah, he said he was going to text me a question, but he's not thought of anything. Let me down there, big man. Not thought of one yet, pal. Lol. So anyway, if you're enjoying the videos, if you're enjoying these questions and answers, listen, I need some questions. Get in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next Monday on next Monday's question and answers.